Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a Canva account, create a logo, and animate it. You can get to this window by entering the link I mentioned in the disclosure part of the video, and do what I did. We create an account with our email address by clicking the sign up button. We write our email address, then we write our name, and we enter the code sent to our email address and log in to our Canva account. We choose for what purpose we use Canva. And now our Canva account is ready. We can make different designs using Canva. This time, we will make a logo. I will make a logo called Live News. For this, I am looking for ready-made logo templates on the topic of news among logos. And I make corrections on the template I chose. After making all the adjustments, to animate our logo, select the objects that will be animated and press the Animate button. Here, we choose one of the different motion effects. After animating all the objects, we press the Share button and we download it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.